How to book flight in Expedia. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to book flight in Expedia. In order to book flight in Expedia, first of all, make sure that you have already registered, and after that, open up or log in into your Expedia app. Once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So in order to book a flight, you can see right on top there is an option as flights. Click on it. Now this is going to take you to the info page where you need to provide in the information such as where you're flying from and where is your destination. You also need to select the date, and you also need to select the number of travelers, and you need to select the flight type, that is economic or business class. So what you need to do is now enter in all of these information, and you can also see there is 3 different tabs located right on top. So you can select either one of these, that is whether you're only doing it one time arriving to that particular airport, and you have this multi-city, which is like, you can select a lot of flights. So basically for now I'm just gonna go with the round trip and type in flying from. So let's say that we are flying from Kathmandu, Nepal, and maybe let's go to New Delhi, India. So as you can see, now you'll be asked to select the date. So right now it's September, so let's select maybe 14th of September and then to 15th of September. So click on a done button, and after that you'll need to select the travelers. So that is whether you have a multiple travelers such as youth, children, whatever. Select it accordingly, and after that click on the done button. Now select the class type, that is either you want to go with first class, business class, premium economic, or whatever. So click on the done button and click on the search bar. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see multiple flights registered to this following date, and if you are sure about the price, then click on it and then click on the select button. Now you need to select the date and time, all that. Now go on with selecting that, and if you're sure about it, once again click on the select button. Ticket has been confirmed. All you need to do is review all of the information and click on the checkout button. So after that, you'll be taken to the payment section where you'll be asked whether you want to do it online or offline on the day of your flying. Either way, whatever is convenient for you, select that. And after that, you need to, if you want to do it online, then you need to provide in your credit card details, all that, and you'll be receiving a confirmation email. And after that, you've successfully booked a flight in Expedia. So that is basically how you can book a flight in Expedia. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.